get the show on the road. Oh!
Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, so today, what we're gonna do. Nah, Jacob, we gotta do this. Okay, we are going to replace the AC compressor. You know, it's exploded, so we're gonna do that. And also, we're doing the belt tensioner.
And replacing the serpentine belt that just flew off.
That as well, broke straight in half.
Fuck yeah.
Sun's going down, running out of time. I'm going quick, baby.
Beautiful. In there.
Spicy.
Beautiful.
Crispy engine bay. You got the jack, correct?
Yes.
Mobile mechanic, hit me up.
I got a dirty ass car right now. Look at that shit.
Huh?
Said, look at that shit.
Dirty.
Dirty as fuck. Need a new paint job? Oogla.
I'm not done in there.
Oops.
Loser.
Here, it's okay. I'll open it for you.
Okay. First step. We need gloves to keep from getting dirty.
Is that the PP gasket? I'm gonna take this gasket out. It's the PP gasket.
I'm gonna take it out yet.
Where the fuck? Oh, it's right here. It's hidden. Let's see.
I found his clutch to his AC compressor.
Oh shit.
And then it just goes.
You didn't drain the coolant?
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Fluffy dog. Taylor. See that fluffy dog over there?
Yep.
Fluffy dog.
Fan out.
Good job, dude. Knuckles. I'm gonna piss over there and hope for the best. Fuck that, I'm not running. Fuck, there's some people over there. Oh, there's people taking a walk. Shit. So many people taking walks. I couldn't do it, bro. So many people walking around.
Okay, so to loosen up your front inlet, it's gonna be a T30. There's gonna be 2 screws right in the front. And they're gonna come out and they're gonna look like this, except they may or may not be oiled. Then you're just gonna make sure to keep careful track. See, look. Jacob, get a good angle.
I am.
There's one down here, you can't really see it. Right there, and then there's another one right here.
Beautiful.
Get this music out of here. Hey, no flaws, King Bond. Let's open.
Wait for it. Am I going the wrong way?
Now you gotta get that. Hey, Jacob.
What? Your nose dripping.
Bro, my allergy be beating me up. House I bought. Ooh, look at all that.
That's crusty. The fuck is? Oh, it's a pulley.
It's the AC compressor.
Jesus, where's it broken?
Oh,
just
the fact that it's off right now.
Dude, the fluffy dog is back.
Yeah, my baby dog.
You alright if I pet the dog?
Sure.
Awesome. Hi there, Bubba. Oh.
He's just a puppy, so he's
I just got a
on the ropes.
I just got a puppy myself.
Yeah.
My hands smell like car.
Watch out.
Hi there. Hi. Hi. He's so cute. What breed is this?
Golden Doodle.
Golden Doodle. Awesome.
Big reason.
You as well. All right, so we're getting these lines off. One and done. Beautiful. Oh, it smells like Freon.
Butt cheeks. I mean, Freon.
No, it smells like butt cheeks. I'm gonna have to bleep that out when we say that.
Butt cheeks?
No, Freon.
Oh. We drained it properly.
Yeah, properly.
We did.
That's a good point.
That's how I remember it. Back to the front of the car. Now you carefully open this.
With a wrench.
All right, so it's all wrapped up in tinfoil because you gotta be careful.
That is not tinfoil.
I'm pop rock.
Pop rock.
All right. So here's how it is inside, right? It's just like this, right? So there's one here, and there's one here, and there's one on the bottom you can't really see. This
it
one
comes with a
happened
pulley,
to
that's sick.
come with oil already in it. So now we're gonna put that back in there with the tinfoil, and then we're gonna keep busting down just 3 13mm bolts. The bottom one might be tough to get. Top 2, easy money. Okay, so you might not be able to pull them out. You might have to leave them in. Because they're kind of long. Sorry for my sniffling. My allergies are kicking my buns.
So funny.
Have you seen the one with the kid's like, and he's like
Wait,
super
did I
veiny? Okay, we were able to get one out.
That's how long they are? Jesus.
That was that back one. You might have to come from the front to hit that other one. Let's see if I can. Currently getting stabbed in the neck by the vacuum line.
Size.
Okay, now what you're gonna have to do to get this thing out, not scratch the car with your keys.
Oh shit.
What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to, with both these disconnected and this connector disconnected, you're gonna have to pull it down and pull it through the front. Hopefully you can get it. We might be able to get it out right here. Probably won't go in the same way because we have the compressor or the clutch and everything on, but that's what happened. It blew up.
Jesus Christ.
Old AC.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Fucking blew up.
Now, while we have that out in the extra room, we are gonna replace the tensioner.
Fuck yeah.
So it comes pre-installed with this pin right here. So when you get it, you put a little bit of tension on it, pull the pin out, and then it puts tension on the belt.
Good shit.
And we have the new belt right in here. New serpentine belt. Jacob,
I got you. Clean
Get your
hands.
Clean hands.
Well, my other hand's not very clean, but that's fine.
Along with
Well
the
done.
cabin filter. So here's this. You don't want to touch it with oil or water or coolant because then it'll squeak and you'll never get it to stop squeaking.
Dude, my fucking
Ever
belt
do
is
that.
covered in coolant and
Don't worry
oil.
about it.
I'm not.
Mine too. Anyway, so now I don't remember what I was doing. Oh, right. You're going to take your handy dandy flathead and you're going to pop off this cover. Just like that. Just the cover. And I think it's a T50. And it's a T50. Now you're gonna take your 3/8 ratchet. Definitely not your half, or 3/8 ratchet, not your 1/2 inch ratchet. With an extension. I'll bring a shorter extension than that. Oh yes I did. It's on my freaking cordless, dude. Hold it off.
Oh, I hit the camera.
It's okay, don't even worry about it. You beat the viewers up, bro. The bolt. And if you have a serpentine belt, you know, like this is supposed to, you would have to take it off first by relieving the tension by using this T60. See that gross hole right there? And these come with Loctite on them, so good deal. You know what I gotta say? I bought this for a reason.
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
For a reason. Like that, this whole entire assembly was supposed to come out with it, and that's supposed to be one piece.
That is this piece right here.
Slightly broken.
Oh shit.
It's supposed to be like that.
Comparison.
Oh, bro.
Holy shit.
That broke off of there.
God damn.
Good thing I told him to replace it. Always check in here to make sure there's nothing. I found that big chunk of metal in there. Always check. Where safety is #1 priority. You know, like, what's that guy? Crazy Russian hacker. I want to make a
Oh
video
dude,
with you.
he's sick.
Okay, now that we're here, we're going to take this, right? Okay. And first things first, not broken.
Yeah.
We're going to take this, we're going to pull this back just a tad so we can get in there.
Well done.
Then reinstall. You're going to take this cap that you just had, and if it's dirty, clean it up. And then you're going to just take it right there and give her a push. Snap. And then you know, we're gonna try to clean up. We're gonna try to clean up the pulleys as best we can. So after we do that, on the deck, you always want to spin your stuff. Make sure it spins freely, not like you got a defective pump. And if you spin it without the proper amount of oil in there, you potentially can ruin it. So make sure it's pre-filled, or you fill it with oil before you spin it. Clean up these bolts a little bit. And now, you see, normally you would replace bolts not like these ones, but you would replace most bolts on BMWs. These are aluminum bolts though. They're down in the gutter almost. Now, you're going to take, wherever I put it, a 13mm wrench, tighten, and you're going to tighten the bolts. That was rude. Just going to tighten them a good amount, you know, nothing crazy. All right, that's done. So, now what we're going to do, right? Take your connector here, plug that baddie in. Snap. Okay, so you're gonna pull this back a little bit. Make sure you got your routing diagram. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to say it somewhere on here, but they don't. Okay, so look at this, right? Engine's at a bit of a slant, right? So look, it's gonna sit kind of like that. Crankshaft pulley. So, crankshaft pulley. There you go. You can do with that what you will. Don't litter, pick up your garbage. But you're gonna take this, and first things first, you're gonna get it rooted right around the crankshaft pulley. All right, now you're gonna take your T60 driver with a fudge, and you're gonna lock her in. Then you're gonna put just a little bit of tension on it. You can pull that pin out, and she's tight. You know what I mean. Oh, hello. Welcome back. We just replaced the AC compressor, and now we're replacing the oil filter housing gasket. Wow, she's in there. We're gonna do the oil filter housing really quick. That one's pretty simple. We'll do that in another video. Gross, needs a walnut blast. I can do that too. We'll show you how to do that in another video.
To my E60.
You're not worthy.
I'm not worthy of the walnut blast? Fuck you.
Your car don't move.
It's going to move soon.
I always choose to delete these instead of putting them back because they are more pain than they are worth. The junction box sitting under there is not going to do anything. That's not going to do clipped in. It's tight down there as it is. It'll just get sandwiched. Or you put this back on, you're going to want to replace each of these 6 O-rings. And if you take the throttle body off, there's one big one. Well, there's one big one about that big that you want to replace as well.
So it's just hanging there, you're saying?
Fuck, I guess. I thought it would have been fine.
What do you mean the other skid plate?
There's another skid plate in the middle.
I think there's
It goes
4.
halfway back and then the wall.